good, baby? Welcome back, TechTube. It's your boy Sean, and I'm super juiced. We are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Caudabe Sheath case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This one has the button cover, and it is the Amethyst color. Super stoked to look at this case. I'm a big fan of this purple color on their website. This was the color that stood out the most for me. And so again, a quick disclaimer with this video: I don't typically do a ton of case reviews, but I saw this case, I saw the color, I've seen reviews, I've seen it on YouTube, and I just wanted to try it for myself. I was unable to get this before the year was over. I have a top 5 cases video up on the channel, and I promise you, if this was in my hands at the time of that video, this for sure would have knocked another case out of the lineup. Same goes for the Lucid case by Binks. I have another video up on my channel of that one. And so these are some awesome cases. Had a chance to try this one for about 2 or 3 days before hopping on this review, so I have a little bit of user experience with this when it comes to it, but I tried to put it back in the box the best I could to make it look as official as possible. But let's take a look. So got a nice black thin box here. All right, it's got minimalist perfection on the side here. Black. They kind of just slap a sticker on here. This is what it is with the color. All right, it says for iPhone 15 Pro Max button cover. It's the Sheath. It's a superb drop protection, ultra slim design, Amethyst. It's got drop tested up to 2 meters, which they say is 6.6 feet, MagSafe compatible, and textured grip. We've got our Caudabe branding, and then we've got minimalist perfection on the back again, and then a little blurb if you want to go ahead and read that. And then they've got their socials down here at the bottom, and the Caudabe is committed to green initiatives. So you can take a look at that if you want, but so far they're holding true. This is a super minimalistic box, that is for sure. So let's move into unboxing. So like I said, I've put it back in here, try to make it look as official as possible, but we've got the slide box design here. All right, we've got a little flap here with the Caudabe logo again. Open it up. It's tucked in there a little bit, and then we get the beautiful Amethyst case in there. So we've got some other wording here. Relax, you're covered. We proudly stand behind our products. Should you ever have an issue, please reach out. We'll be here to help. Support at Caudabe.com. They've got a 1-year hassle-free warranty, 30-day returns and exchange, and they pride themselves in responding within 1 business day. Inside flap. So we'll take out the case and set it to the side for a second. We've got some little jelly. What are these? Silicone jelly. Say do not eat. Highly suggest you listen. Don't eat those. And then we've got little Caudabe minimalist perfection, and kind of just advertises some of their other products. They do other things: screen protectors, chargers. If you got AirPods. All right, and they kind of talk about the benefits of the Caudabe experience. So cool little pamphlet. I typically don't read through too many of these, but I like the effort. Minimalistic, sleek, all the stuff that you want, customer service, how to approach them, how to reach them, all that good stuff in the box. So one last look at the box. I'm gonna throw that to the side and look at the case. So this thing is an absolute beauty. All right, we will just start with the back. So probably one of the most noticeable things on this case is just that super minimalistic line that goes across. All right, you've got the line, you've got some Caudabe branding down here, very tiny, which I like, which goes with the minimalistic aesthetic. And then I'll do this in the microphone, but this is very grippy all around. You've got that grip. All around, you've got that nice, grippy texture. And this thing is an absolute beauty to look at, and it feels really good. And so for as minimalistic as it is, as thin as it is, that grippy texture really saves the day in the sense of you don't need anything crazy additional on this case to add any grip. All right, you've got your camera ring, which comes out a little bit, which is going to give you a little bit of protection when you set it down on there. All right, not the thickest, craziest camera ring that I've seen, but nonetheless, you've got one. You've got your volume up and down and action button, which are kind of, if I can get that in there, breathable, kind of slitted buttons, but very tactile still. And this one has the action button cutout. I do believe they have one that has this open. So if you want the cutout or button cover, make sure you're paying attention when you order, because you will have to choose that on their website. Got your power button. All right, and then we flip it down. We've got our cutouts for our speaker and our USB-C. And so one of the things I love about this case, if you are a one size fits all, do everything in your case, these cutouts on the Caudabe Sheath are the perfect size to fit the large USB-C plugs in here. So if you plan on slapping this on your phone and not taking it off, this is the case for you. And I really appreciate that, because even in my top 5 cases video, a lot of the cases, that was the number one thing that I wished that they had done correctly, was make this bigger. There's just no hassle, no worry about if you're going to have the right cable to fit this. Now, when we flip it inside, we've got more Caudabe branding here, Minimalist Perfection. We've got genuine Caudabe product up here at the top, the Caudabe logo, and our MagSafe ring. So this is a MagSafe case. So you've got the ring here, and then I love how they keep it minimalistic and there's no ring on the outside. So I don't know if you're a fan of the cases that show the ring, if it's like a, I don't know, a status, hey, I've got MagSafe, or if you find it annoying that the ring is there. Nevertheless, there's no ring on this one, which, because of the design and the color, I really appreciate it. There's nothing that takes your eye away from the case itself. So with it being MagSafe, we'll test a couple things here. I've got my anchor magnet, and that fits really good on that case. Gotta do a little bit of a tug to get it off, but that is a pretty strong magnet on there. So that's one of the things I like to test. I do use that magnet charger every now and then, but one of my other favorite things is this pop socket thing by Belkin, which is used for continuity cam for iPhone, to use it on your MacBook, but it is one of my everyday items. It kind of acts as a stand for my device as well, but got a nice click on there, and you got to add some good effort to pull that off. And so you can set it up to watch movies. You can set it up this way if you want to scroll on your desk, but that just looks really good on there. So this is like one of the accessories that I use every day, and I actually really like how the white and purple kind of goes well together. So that's your MagSafe. It's very, very reliable magnets. Now, I don't have a scale or anything to show you the weight of this case, but it's very lightweight. Feels really good in hand. I may throw a little B-roll up there for you to show you what it looks like inside of the case, the iPhone, but this is the Caudabe Sheath Amethyst color, which I think is the best color that they have. I do know they just came out with a garnet red, I believe. So if you're a product red fan, if you like red cases, kind of bold colors, they did just come out with a new red color. But I just like the sleek look, the mature, kind of relaxed, sophisticated color that is Amethyst. And again, definitely recommend this case if you're looking for minimalistic, if you're looking for grip, if you're looking for protection. Caudabe's got you covered. Really good case. So let me know in the comment section below. Are you a Caudabe fan? This is my first time joining the Caudabe family, and I am super, super, super pleased with this case. So definitely this will be in my rotation for future devices. I am a Caudabe fan, but let me know. What do you think about Caudabe products? Do you have the sheath? What color do you have? What do you like about this case? And do you have any other cases that you might recommend that I should try out? Let me know. I'm all ears, but that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your boy a like, a thumbs up. If you want to see more tech-related content on this channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the community. Hit the bell so you know when new videos go live. But that is it for me. Like always, be blessed. Catch you in the next video. Peace.